Yay, me and my best friend. Lafayette, we found chalk, we drew a picture. Simple as that. Kind of bland. So yeah, apparently someone saw we were asked if we were sisters. If you don't know who Kim is, see if you see my videos. She's the blonde girl in my videos. So yeah, someone asked if we were sisters, so we decided why not write it. There she is. We're trying to find more chalk. So if you go to, ooh, I can't say the name of the school. If you go to a school that looks like this.
Same. Is this on YouTube?
Yeah, leave more chalk outside.
Come to your school.
So yeah, we're going on spring break, which means maybe more videos from me. Not that anyone really cares.
No, not Bria.
I love Sabria because I'm so beautiful. We haven't been on the nature trail. Want to go up there?
What time is it?
I don't know. You have a phone?
In my book bag.
I'm videotaping.
Going on the swing. Because I'm a child.
Yes, she is. Going backward.
You're on YouTube.
I'm pretty sure you don't want to watch us swinging for like the last 15 minutes. So, bye-bye. I wrote like 4 scripts for things to do over the summer. So yeah, say bye, Kimmy. Bye.